In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Photos backup. If you want to stop new pictures and videos from automatically uploading to your Google account, this quick walkthrough will guide you through it on both Android and iPhone. First, grab your phone and open the Google Photos app. You're looking for the app with the multicolored pinwheel icon. Once it's open, head to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This is where Google Photos keeps your account and backup controls. From the menu that appears, tap Photo Settings. Inside Settings, choose Backup. You'll see a switch labeled Backup. Go ahead and turn that switch off. According to Google, this stops new photos and videos from automatically uploading to your Google account from this device. Your existing content on your phone stays right where it is. You're simply halting automatic uploads going forward. Let's confirm it worked. Tap your profile picture again in the top right. On the account panel that appears, look for the message that says Backup is off. Seeing that message is your confirmation that automatic uploads have been disabled. If you manage more than one Google account on the same device, make sure you're viewing the correct account at the top of that panel so you're checking the right backup status. A few important notes before we wrap up. Turning off backup does not delete anything that's already been saved online. All photos and videos that were previously backed up remain safely stored in your Google account. If you want to view them, open any browser and go to photos.google.com. You can also still see those items in the Google Photos app when you're signed in. They're just no longer receiving new automatic uploads from this device. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place in Google Photo settings and turn the backup switch back on. Also, keep in mind that these settings are per device and per account. If you use multiple phones or tablets, or you switch between different Google accounts, you'll want to adjust the backup toggle on each device and account where you want uploads to stop. That's it. You've successfully turned off Google Photos backup, confirmed it's off, and you know what happens to your existing photos. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to pause or resume backups.